Hello, on behalf of Expert Village, my name is Joe Mon. I own the VUG local jewelry store in Salt Lake City, and I'm going to demonstrate on how to easily size a ring up just by simply stretching it. The basic concept is you've got a ring, any metal ring, silver or gold, put it on a mandrel. This ring is showing approximately 6.5 right now. Basically, you just take a hammer and stretch the back of the ring. Generally, you can usually stretch a ring up a size or so, depending on the width and the thickness of the ring. That stretched up a half size to a 7. Say that's all you need to go. Basically, after that, you would file out the hammer marks, file the sides, because it does, make the sides roughed up. Take a round file and refinish the inside of the ring. Basically, after that, it's ready for polishing. After polishing, that's it.